Okay, are we live is the big question right now. There are a lot of sounds that I'm hearing, sirenहरू बजिरहेछ and all, but I don't think we'll be live anytime soon. YouTube मा के छैन अझै पनि. I'm still in the dashboard and I see nothing. I still see nothing. Fuck, I really wanted to stream. Alright, wait, love on. So apparently it was streaming. Okay. So this is wrong password. Alright. Let me do this. Alright. Arch Linux on my this Legion laptop. 6.12.48-1 LTS kernel. I don't like to use the latest and greatest because frankly I don't need it. But what I do need is this one, the 4050 and its drivers. 4050 and its driver 580. What I found is the NVIDIA 580 drivers are really compatible with. I mean, if I use only the integrated monitor of my laptop's display only, nothing really lags. The laptop's display is fine, but as soon as I join the next display, the external monitor, it starts to freeze up. By freeze up I mean my movements get sluggish, the text selection also becomes a little delayed, and overall it's a horrible experience, partly because it's NVIDIA and it's Wayland. I need Wayland because I want to use I need the scaling on my primary monitor, as it's a 2K display and a 16-inch screen, so everything is at 100%. Everything is very small. So yeah, and this is a 1080p display. It must show somewhere here. Oh yeah, it's a BenQ display, 1080p, 22-inch and a 16-inch 2K display. So yeah. So what I wanted to do was, do I have VS Code? Okay, I have already installed VS Code. Let's make this video as a guide. Sure. I used Arch install to install the KDE Plasma. It took quite a while, but it installed everything that is needed for this, and I installed Brave, which you can do easily, quite easily, you know. You go over there, Brave, download, you do that, and then you go to the site, get Brave for Linux. Just paste this command in the terminal. If you alright, let's just do this. Sure. And it's gonna install everything as it's already installed. Basically it's doing this command over here. Ye sy needed no confirm brave bin. So dash no confirm means it won't ask us to confirm every, like, yes or no, that question won't will be escaped. Needed means I don't really know what this means, but this means we pass the verification checks. And as soon as you install this and you type in your password, your, like, the software that you want to install will be installed. Brave bin. Do that, and what else? I did that, and then I used this, and you type in your password. Okay, and then you install. I installed this VS Code. I'll do VS Code specific things later, but right now let's focus on. And then I did sudo react command as fs, and I installed Flatpak. Do that. And there are few apps that I really like on Flatpak, which Flat Hub for the store. So I like Mission Center or something, CMT or Center or Control or something. Okay, Mission Center. Okay, this one. It shows you graphs and all for, like, it's a Windows like interface for your this everything. And I also like to install Olama. Why Olama? Not particularly any reason, but yeah. And Miniconda as well. Miniconda, well, I use with I mostly work with Python based environments and on Python projects. So managing environments is a, it's a hassle. I don't want to pollute my global Python installation with all the packages that I most probably won't use. So yeah, this, okay, I'm on I'm in Anaconda's page, and go to installing this one, and I'm pretty sure it's a script. Duplicate will duplicate the script, and optional verifying integrity, let's not do that, and bash, and then execute this script. See, we just got this script, and we bash it. Miniconda will be installed in this location, home Abhishek Miniconda. So it's gonna be, yeah, okay, there's gonna be another folder called Miniconda, which I'm okay with. See, it just made the folder. It's installing everything. So what, you can undo this by running activate base false. Do you want to update your shell profile to automatically initialize Conda? Yes, I want to do that. And now if I open up my terminal again, it should let me know, like, it should give me the base thing. And apparently we have all this stuff on our base installation already, which is okay. So Conda install and everything. Okay, nice. So we essentially have our this as well. Okay, install. Okay, nice. So we don't need the Miniconda script now, so we'll just remove it. And what else? Telegram. Sure, let's keep Telegram. It's helpful to get some, what was that called, movies and stuff. Old movies are generally found in Telegram. Then and let's not only search for this. What is popular? Discord. Do I need Discord? Let's install it. And Spotify. Should I install Spotify? What else? Qubit torrent. Okay, Qubit torrent is already installed. Fuck me. I have Firefox and Brave, so I don't need the other things like the other browsers. And for Obsidian, I think I should get it from Avar. There's an Obsidian. Okay, there's the app called Obsidian. Let's show the mission center. CPU is being used, idling at 6%. Damn. i9 3906. Nice. Obsidian. We do have Obsidian. And now Proton VPN. Good to have. Proton VPN is also good to have. And okay, I sometimes need Chromium browser, not that often, but you know, there's 1 or 2% chance. We got Stream.io. This is the GigaChat application that everyone should install. Everyone, unless you're living in some first world country. This is the go-to place for me to watch movies and series. And what else? Boxes. Hey, let's make this video a free BST exploration kind of video. Well, I know nothing about FreeBSD, to be honest. I have just heard that it's based on Unix, and Linux and FreeBSD are like mostly similar, but it has different folder structure, and I'm not pretty sure what this is, to be honest. But let's see. Let's download FreeBSD. Choosing an architecture. AMD 64 means our architecture. These architectures are most okay, including those with Intel processors use AMD 64, right? I was right. And embedded systems. For all architectures, choosing an image includes DVD testman and network install boot only sized ISO. Virtual machine, virtual disk images have FreeBSD pre-installed. Should we go for VM or okay? Fuck it. Let's just go with VM. I just want to take a look at it and nothing more. FreeBSD release basic cloud init. What the hell? Maybe this one. QCOW means this is the file extension for your VirtualBox image, like VM images for QEMU based emulation or something. Yeah, it's something like that. I don't really know. I'm not the right guy for this, but okay, we'll continue with that a little later. And okay, 40 is the right height for this. Let's see if boxes will work. In the past, I've used Word Manager along with like QEMU with Word Manager, but it's really hard to get good performance with Word like QEMU, that Word Manager. So boxes, I don't know what kind of optimization boxes does, but it just gives me smooth VM experience that in the past VMware used to do. So that's the reason why I like it. And the extraction just finished. Let's import the .qcow2 file for FreeBSD. It found the FreeBSD 14 point. Okay, fuck it. Let's give it 4 gigabytes. What the fuck? Okay, let's just do this. And we hit create, and supposedly it froze. It just froze straight up. Let's give it 4 gigabytes. What the fuck? Okay, let's give it W2 file. Okay, it's working. Reboot, boot multi-user, single user. What just happened? Okay. Login. What was the password? Of course, login is incorrect. Login password for FreeBSD VM. What? As your user, you can see them here. Anyone knows no password as requested. Any other besides root? Do cat password used. Still incorrect. Okay, I'm in root, right? Handbook. What can you do in FreeBSD? Let's go over FreeBSD documentation synopsis. Thank you for your interest in FreeBSD. The following chapter covers various aspects of your project. Okay, virtual disks by the. Okay. Alright, the installation, we are past that. We need basics. Read the chapter to learn how to use and configure virtual consoles, create and manage users and groups, Unix file permission, default BSD, free BSD file system layout. Free BSD file system layout. How different is this? Okay, so gas RC bootlib सबै चिज छ है यसमा MNT rescue USR var MNT HC bash छ के sh हो त्यसो भने यो भएपछि कहाँ गयो स्ल्यास रुटमा छ हैन त स्ल्यास रुट भनेर थियो र ए रहेछ स्ल्यास रुट भनेर नि रहेछ है what else visual consoles and terminals visual consoles so multiple consoles are हुन्छ TTY भनेर which is in Linux as well अनि single user mode भनेपछि यो भयो user mode blah 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 user accounts हरु भइहाल्यो Wayland what the X-Finder system sure installing application and package imports okay install गर्ने हेरौँ त हैन maintains the updated searchable list of all the applications at ports portal the port can be searched by application name or by software category try searching source for or GitHub ma गर्ने रे using packages for binary package management getting started with package pkg okay the package installation tool is not and blah 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 so you install bhairasa nice to read the manual page for install for example run this command the rest of the section okay pkg install package from remote repositories or your okay so latest sum up पुग्यौं हैन त update dash it's updating go here बिमा कार्ड लिएर जानु हुन्छ बिमा कार्डले डिस्काउन्ट चाहिँ हुन्छ हो Okay, so where did we reach? So the repositories are updated. Kernel modules repositories. The kernel module repository allows users to install ready-to-use kernel modules like the ones used for graphics drivers and specific hardware. Starting with BSD 14.3, the BSD project provides kernel module built for every supported version. To create such repository configuration, if it does not exist, add the following URL. Let's see if this exists. usr local hc package.conf direct. Maybe, yeah, there is something. I don't really know what it is, but there is something there. Searching package nginx pkg search engine x. Sure, nice. Package install curl. Okay. pkg upgrade, pkg delete curl. Okay. Auto remove means unused packages will be removed, the dependencies. And यो केसको चाहिँ भन्छ त नि, हाउ डु आई नो? What? Para virtual graphics card. Which ways are in the pkg install xorg. The current user must be member of video group and to run a graphical environment. To add a user to the video group, execute following command. Okay, this is a little too ground up. Down, down, down. File system full? Lol. Never mind. We are done. We are done. We are done, guys. Let's show you some other configurations that I do. I generally remove this, like disable this Leo AI assistant to show in my this thing over here. And for search engine, I like to use Google and DuckDuckGo from a private ones. And for privacy, also I generally prefer to use Cloudflare DNS. Why? I don't know. Just and okay, this was it for FreeBSD. For FreeBSD, why? I don't know. Just and what else? Yeah. Also, I disable, like I hide this everything. So now I have a clean ones. Remove these sponsored ones and Brave stats. Remove. Okay, never mind. I like this. Clock, show clock cards. We don't really need it. Make this Google, and we are Gucci now. Alright, streamer. Wait, sources from browser history as well? Damn, okay, that's crazy. Install Streamio. Also, let's install Spotify. I don't have Spotify Premium, so this is a script. It's a, I don't really know what this is. It's a CLI tool. Okay, so it makes Spotify better. Advanced uses. Let's go to installation, and we are in Arch, so we'll do this from AUR. We'll install the Spotify CLI before applying Spotify installed from AUR. So Spotify. Spotify will install Spotify first, and then we'll install Spotify, which is a CLI tool that will disable ads, which will enable me to add plugins, and also maybe it makes downloading also possible. I guess I don't really remember this so much because I started using YouTube Music, which is inherently better. Why can I not import? Okay. This has to be Spotify AUR. imported it, or did we? Okay. This is something new. I didn't know that we could do that. But yeah, we got the popkey.gpg. GPG means what kind of GPG? GNU privacy card. Okay, we installed this. Now install the Spicify CLI. Also okay. कहाँ जान लाग्नु अब? All right. We changed the permission. Okay. We have Spicify as well. Let's open up Spotify and let's log it in. For it if I play some mix.
Ruslan Studio.
Okay. This exact thing, I don't like this. This is bad. So what I would like to do is do I need to do anything? I don't really remember. Spicify. What was that? The marketplace. So I can do apply, which should bring up my marketplace, but it did not. I don't know why. Let's install the marketplace as well. All right. So we need this Spicefy marketplace thing. We install it for macOS and Linux. We do this. Unzip is not found, so unzip. Okay, let's do it now. Right. Okay, we have this marketplace thing, and what can I do with this? So there's this like, okay, this one, ad blockify. The only thing that's actually useful functionally in this entire thing. So you could see there was a bar like down here, but then it's removed right now because of the ad blockify thing.
Oh, I don't know when and where I gave my heart. One
And
feeling.
there's a lot of themes that you can choose, but at the end of the day, the default Spotify theme is the best. It's I mean, it's a personal preference, but it's not like these themes have very inconsistent behavior across the UI, so I like to stick with the default one. And yeah, that's all. We are totally set for our Spotify thing, and our OBS. Okay, there's this in Windows. There's a start virtual camera thing as well, but I don't want to do that because I really don't use it at all. So I don't want to go through all the trouble to make it work. Uh, I'll, I'll pull my hair out if there's Spotify, like if there's copyright claim on my video. So yeah, that's it. And okay, let's move to our editor for my VS Code. What do I do? I don't really do anything, to be honest. Let's open this up, make a new folder, test environment. Sure, let's create this. Let's go into the test env, and let's create a test.py file. Okay, it asks me to install the Python extension. Okay, I want to switch to JetBrains, the entire thing. JetBrains toolkit, I think, toolbox. Okay, so I want to install two of the things. One is Rider for my .NET development, and another is PyCharm. के कहीँ लग्नु पर्ने हो र मम्मी हजुरलाई? कहीँ लग्नु पर्ने हो र हजुरलाई? कहीँ जान मन छ? कहीँ जान मन छ र हजुरलाई? कहाँ जान लाग्नु भएको छ?
किन
कहाँ जान लाग्नु भएको भन्नु न?
कपडा किन्न लाग्यो तपाईँलाई
Yo, we're back. So, okay, uh, this is what is one of the problems of Wayland and X-Wayland. The applications that run default on Xorg do not run like have the same behavior on X like the Wayland. So there's a compatibility layering kind of thing that's called X-Wayland, and that will cause the scale issues. See, everything else is normal and this is like way small. Uh, Something to think about. Okay, I need PyCharm and this rider thing. I sincerely do not know what needs to be done to set up this .NET in Linux. Set up .NET in Linux. RIDER okay. C# development on Linux using U and U. Okay, this might be it. Okay. Development in JetBrains Rider will require at least one of the more additional frameworks depending on the kind of developed application. For a regular .NET or Mono application, install the stable Mono release. For .NET Core applications, .NET Core for Linux. Okay, this is what I need. I think it's a core application. Long term, okay. Long term वाला गरौँ डकरबाट पनि हुन्छ install it on Linux अब त्यही मैले